Alright guys, it is about 8:30 p.m. the 1st February, and this is the doorway I was throwing the frisbee in for the dog earlier when I was standing out here with sandals on. As you can see, that ain't happening no more. Here's the door, and as you can see where he was running before, there was one heck of a drift. That is a good 2 foot tall drift at least. And she's still coming down. Snow all over the door hinges there. It's pretty insane. If we can get this thing. It's pretty crazy. Ain't it? Oh, yeah. Come here, Chevy. Give me the frisbee. We'll make Chevy disappear here real quick. Into the dark. And away he goes. Shoot. Look at that. I can almost barely see that right there. And it's right in front of me. Look at that. 5 feet in front of me and I can barely see it. Whiteout conditions for sure. And Chevy lost the frisbee. This is insane. Well, we got more coming, guys. This is crazy.